In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive missing from the taskbar and File Explorer in Windows 10. If you've been struggling to locate OneDrive on your Windows 10 PC, don't worry. It's a common issue, and I'll guide you through the steps to resolve it swiftly. To start, you'll want to click on your Start menu. This is where we'll try to find OneDrive first. Simply type OneDrive into the search bar and see if it appears. If it's not showing up, we'll need to take a few additional steps to reinstall OneDrive onto your system. Next, you'll need to uninstall OneDrive if it's already showing up in your system applications. To do this, search for Add or Remove Programs in the Start menu. Once the window opens, scroll through the list of installed applications until you find Microsoft OneDrive. Click on it, and you should see an option to uninstall. Click Uninstall and follow the prompts on the screen to remove it completely. Once you've uninstalled OneDrive, it's time to reinstall it. This is an important step, as reinstalling ensures you have the latest version, which can help address any bugs or issues that might have resulted in its disappearance. Go ahead and visit the official Microsoft website where you can download the latest version of OneDrive. After downloading, run the installation file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installing, you should see the OneDrive icon appear on your taskbar. Go ahead and click on it. This step will help ensure OneDrive is successfully reactivated and running on your machine. Click on Settings to verify your configurations. This is an important step. Here you can manage your backup options, notifications, and other preferences relevant to how you use OneDrive. Next, navigate to the Account tab within the Settings menu. Here, you want to make sure that your account is properly set up. If you haven't already signed in or linked your account, you'll want to add your account by clicking on Add Account. This is crucial because your OneDrive won't function unless it's connected to your Microsoft account. Finally, make sure to follow any additional steps that appear during the setup process to complete the process. You'll be walked through connecting your folders to OneDrive and setting up backup options. And there you have it. With these steps completed, OneDrive should now be visible on your taskbar and within File Explorer, making all your important files accessible with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.